What's up, Unlimited Lifers? Coach Corey here, together with Do It Better. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make one of those really cool looking 3D images on Facebook posts, right? So first thing you need to do is you need to have a iPhone, right? It only works on iPhone, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. But basically, I'll walk you through the process, and then I'm going to actually show you how to do it, right? So on your iPhone, I think it's got to be like an iPhone 11 or newer. Really, the only thing that it needs, I'm not sure what models it is that has it, but when you go to your picture settings, so you go to take a picture, there needs to be the option of portrait, right? Portrait mode. So I'm going to show you really quick on my phone. Hopefully you can see right there it says portrait, right? You need to just slide over to that and select portrait. So it should be in yellow, just like that, right? Now, once you do that, all you're going to do is take a picture of yourself. So I'm going to flip this around real quick, and I'm just going to, and see how that turned out. Oh, I don't like that one. Ew. Bad. Let's try one more. Let's say, hey. And then once you have that photo, right? So I have, now you can see my ring light in the background. Not exactly the best quality photo, but then all you gotta do is go into your Facebook app, just like you would, like you're going into any kind of Facebook, right? So I'm just on my wall, and you're gonna select photo. So just like you would, let's see if it's gonna be able to capture it, just like you would on any other one, right? And then you're gonna see, if I can get this to focus, see how it says 3D in the bottom corner of my photos down here. 3D, right? That's what you're looking for. And whenever you take a portrait mode in your phone, that's going to pop up on those pictures when you're going to do a post on Facebook. So you just select the one that you want, just like that. Just selected it, and then done. And then you can add a caption to it, So I'm just going to put, let's see, another 3D pic as I'm doing a tutorial on how to do 3D images on Facebook for my YouTube channel, right? That's all there is to it. And then you post it, right? Post it. Oh, I forgot to choose the 3D image. Dang it. Dang it, this video. Sorry, guys. I forgot one more thing I forgot to tell you. Okay, so I totally forgot one step. So once you are going to post, you're going to click on photo, right? You're going to select the photo that you want, the 3D photo. And then once you select the photo, you see how it says 3D, make 3D? You got to select that option. So you got to select this option right here, boom, right? And that little box is going to pop up for a second, and now it's going to make that photo a 3D image, which, because we're on a phone or on the computer, you can't really tell. But you can see how it kind of like moves around and makes it a 3D image. And then I'm going to just post that, right? Boom, just like that. So, let me find it now, so that you guys can see what I'm talking about, right? So, one, like as you scroll, it kind of like starts popping off the page, right? And that's all there is to it. So again, you have to have, like, I think it's an iPhone 11 or newer. You have to have the portrait mode. That's the important part. It has to have the portrait mode on the phone. You're going to select the portrait mode. You're going to take a picture of whatever it is that you want to take a picture of. Then you're going to go to Facebook. You're going to select, like you're going to make it a new post. Just select photo, and then make sure you select the photo that has the 3D option. And once you select it, make sure that you actually click on make 3D inside your actual post, right? And then that's going to make that photo 3D on your post. So that's a really cool way that you guys can grab a lot more attention. Stop the scroll, because people really like these 3D posts because they really jump out at you, right? So get fun, get creative with it. And again, guys, if you found that helpful, please subscribe, like, share this channel, and we will see you in another video, right? Make sure that you join the group, my Facebook group, guys, Unlimited Life Academy. I do a lot of stuff like this live, and you can ask me questions live. That way, I can answer your questions for you. So until next time, guys, subscribe, like, share, and God bless.